kule 4 seasons i-Pirates iwina i-league ngo-December. After December
it was a very interesting one. It's good to actually see ama supporter we Sundowns of Aviation. The Pirates actually has to win the league this year. You can't be collecting number 1 point in such time.
Hey, what's cool, what's happening, what's popping? It's your boy, Sia Cam. Welcome to the very first episode of iQuantum Disc Ringers. I-Ringers yaseKasi bafethu, niyacava ngama-Monday, makudlala idabi, eTexini masifika, iKasi lonke liringa ngediski. Nasema-tavern bafethu, but lucky enough, i-draw. So kusho ukuthi zonke sijabulile, so sishare ama-point. But khona bangajabulanga bafethu ngoba bayayifuna le league. Khona abanye bathi ba distractor, but namhlanje ngikhuluma ngi-1 ngikhuluma namachita ntswemu namachita engiwacavayo ukuthi acave i-disc azosianalysela azosibreakela down bazositshela ukuthi kuyenzakaleni fandahi, why Khosi lingawinanga or why Pakani ingawinanga. So on my right ngiphethe ucoach and on my left ngiphethe ucoach futhi. Amachita engiwaphethe fandahi angama-fans, ama-coach, ama-player, they are all in one. So relevant for the topic namhlanje. So ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for uMasango no Smash. Man. Ukrenja. Angimnanda uthiyana. uMasango.
Mkhulu.
Ukren.
Number 1.
Last time see ngitshela out le is the only guy engicavayo. Bebayibiza ngesibongo from incane.
Yeah, no.
Ushithi waguga umncane.
Fana nomuntu bathi uba. Azala uba. Azala uba from amncane uba yabo.
Ukrenja yabo.
Number 1 mfethu.
Ubani uMasango?
uMasango yini?
Awunindebele wena.
uMasango yini? Ngeke
usikhosane ngimi.
uMasango yini? No, umjita seKasi mfethu abantu.
Yeah, ubani igama?
Igama uSiphiwe.
Sure.
Yeah. USiphiwe Masango.
Okay.
So ngiba uMasango via, for some reason it happened ukuthi umkhulu wamayishona bengisesentwana kuma 3 years old. Babaqala bangibiza uSiphiwe ngathi hayi ngisesiphiwe senguMasango.
Wena wasibeka wena.
Mina ngasibeka kanjalo.
Wasumadala sekongiyangeke.
Yeah. Yabona, so that is the spiritual because bengiyintwana nga-understanding next on the very same day bakuceda ukufika umlayezo ukuthi umdala wami ushonile. Babangibiza nani ngithi hayi mina senguMasango.
Okay.
Basuka la.
Sure.
So namhlanje well nguSiphiwe but through and through nguMasango.
Ufavor wena nje?
Mina ngifavor.
When favorite is ka favorite team.
Yeah, ngifila ngathi masifavor sazilimita.
Oh, okay.
Yabona. Yeah, masifavor sazilimita. I just love football.
Sure.
Because more favor awubina lento le ukuthi ubukele any team play but you focus on watching team yakhe dlala.
Leli card.
Yabona. But also on top of that into ezothi ngafavor is anginayo lenhliziyo yokubukela umunye umuntu adliwa. Angidlisa ukuthi my I can do better or nginalento ukuthi abona mangidliwa ngazi ukuthi fault yami kungcono.
Uyabheja?
Ngiyangilunga anginayo lento yokubheja vele.
So buya shayam. Uthiyam. Ukren. So ubani uMandla nje?
uMandla wakamtshali okhulele la eThembisa eMangweni naseMawukweni.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ukhulela endlini ezithuka.
Yeah, ngikhulele endlini ezithuka.
Sure. Uyadisana namhlanje ngifuna ukudisha va.
Hayi, ngiyala khona engazazi
la kuneplate khona uyakho.
Yeah, la kunogogo khona. Kula esizifuna khona because of yazi futhi umelela kunogogo.
Sure.
And yonke into iba mnandi for wena yabo.
Ngiyakuzwa uthiyam because namhlanje vele sizoringa ngendaba yedabi yabo. So nje important nale ukuthi ufavor.
Mina angifake ngiyayithanda.
Kunomehluko nje between ukufavor nokuthanda team.
Umuntu ofavorayo kusasa ngathi ufavor i-team edlala against i-Chiefs.
Yini umehluko between i-fan ne-support?
I-fan ne-support. I-fan i-support umuntu osupportayo like ube
die hard.
Hayi, si die hard. Ngoba ungasupporta noma yiphi team. Uyisupporta ngoba izinto zihamba kahle. Bese makubheda ubone kaMtsipe kumnandi so uyakhona. So i-fan i-die hard. umuntu ezohlala ethini ukuthi kunzima kuyenzakalani.
Uyavumelana naye?
Ngiyavuma nyahanga. But kunento ayishilo athi kunabantu abathi makumnandi kumtsibe bayakhona. Abona thina ngizokutshela bani.
Mina ngikwazi umehluko phakathi kwe-friend support.
Ziyafana.
Asifana.
Ziyafana. Ziyafana.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yini uvumelana naye ngayo?
Ukuthi thina masikhula bekunama-team ethu.
Yeah.
Chiefs of the Pirates.
Okay.
Mawa ngabe wena you are born up before 2000, kumele ufake Chiefs of the Pirates.
Ngoba ukhule endlini kunesithombe seChiefs or seBhakani.
Wena manje sowufake Sundowns ngoba kumnandi.
Hayi ngoba kumnandi ngoba ngazi ibhola ngala understand.
Kumnandi yawina. Manje iqiniso masingaya kuma roots wakho. Uzositshela ukuthi wena ufavor. Wangali Chiefs idliwa. Wangali Pirates idliwa. Waya kuphi? Waya ngale ku Sundowns. Yabona abantu abane right ukuthi bafavor Sundowns abantu bama 2000. Or if ukhulele bo Mama Melody yabona from Van Duka, then we can say that. Marukhulela ithembisa ukhulele Sotra favor Sundowns. Hayi. Yabona it is what it is.
Asike game namhlanje yami. Asicale from line up. Futhi wena ngoba uyikhosi ne. Asibreak it down line up ekhosi.
Hayi,
ukuthi oqala wena uzofaka bani. Number 2 la abangenile ba performance.
Mina I was gonna go ngayo the very same lineup here today. Reason being ubheka past 5 games or 6 abawadlali consistent.
Marumuri beyangadlala onke lama-game khona.
Yeah, uye bengiyeke ngomqalise. I think I was gonna go ngo-Silver kulokhona ku-striker bese uLilepo he was gonna go back kulokhona ku-left wing. Yeah, bese i-back 4 very righty. I'm happy ulokhona uPeterson ubuyile and usasinikeza the best
performance.
Mara
bamoshele kuma-clean sheet akhe Fanda.
Yeah, but noma bamoshile kulokhona ku-clean sheet ube nama-save and
crucial saves.
Yeah, because siyamdinga.
Sure.
Kuma-game so udinga u-goalkeeper ozostanda i-ground yakhe.
Are you happy with the performance of Fanda?
Yes, I'm happy.
Okay. Jami uthe awufavorite team but ngoba beka represent ikhosi sicela represent iBhakani. Asiringe la ina iBhakani nje.
No, ilana iBhakani imnandi. Yabona, ilana iBhakani imnandi. It's just that I'll complain ngama substitute coach. Yabona. I think coach find sometimes in terms of ama substitution wakhe.
Okay.
Akana direct impact to the game. Okay. Ngizofaka umuntu so because this is what I'm expecting for them to give me. Yabona. But overall it's a bit tricky in terms of what is he trying to achieve. As someone that wants to actually go and win the league in a game like this, and more bigger history, Yaga Skomota, he's always scores against the Chiefs. Give him the first line.
Ubani Skomota nje?
Siyamazi Skomota. Siyamazi Skomota.
Now, izaphatha umuntu osekhaya ubukele.
Well, uSkomota ubani bafowethu lapha uMahofa, striker South Africa.
Okay.
Yabona, that's the striker we have. You give him first lineup, he's got a good record against the Chiefs. Give him first lineup, give him game time so that he can play. He can give you something. Yabona. You put Skomota there. I'm happy to see Tito also play. Yabona. Those are the people you need.
But ungene because of Umuremu Limene first half.
Regardless, at least he played majority of the game. But then also as a coach, Umuntu Jengu Tito is someone with the experience. He's played derby before and a lot of times. Give him first lineup. Also, he needs it to boost his confidence. When you give him that first lineup, even if Benga for Muremu first lineup, he needs it for himself. He wants to go to the World Cup. If you give him a derby, he's gonna give us something.
Mina ngifila njani ese player ngiyadlala ama game ayi4 alandelayo. The next thing or the next game ngoba iderby uyangidropa ufaka uTito ngoba experience.
I think that's where the problem is. If you look at I'm sorry, I'm going to bring Sundowns into the picture. If you look at the Sundowns, I think the mentality with Sundowns, it's more like we win as a team.
Okay.
You understand? It's not about who's playing.
Sure.
It's about we are winning. Yeah, but we are understanding the project and the concept is that it's for us to win the league. Yeah, but we experience that is crucial in such a game.
Open.
You would never know the story behind the bull. Yeah, but also all I'm saying is that Utito has been playing Derby for quite a long time. And Utito has been someone that my supporters are always calling for. If you give him a full match on the Derby game, he's going to show you something. He wants it for himself. Yeah, but he's going to do it for the team.
Sure.
Yeah, but so you do that. So now, in a way, as much as he's played and contributed, if Bumrembe chances are winning.
You never know.
Yeah,
Coach be playing and to change a game second half.
Yeah, well, I think also Nati Masuzokulu Malasukulu is just as because we don't know a lot of that's happening. Emma changing.
Sure.
Yeah, but all I'm saying is that as a team, if you want to win and you have this common goal is to win the league. So I understand the Manyama sacrifice and Milos Yeah, but as much as the previous 5 games I've played and whatnot, today they need to call someone else. It's for the benefit of the team. We know what we can contribute and what we can bring to the team. Let him go on and do it.
Asikhuluma ngemude yasekazi nje before iDerby nje iviki lonke kenzakalani ikasi ama conversation ahamba kanjani and after Derby futhi ke kuhambani ikasi sherelo nje umuntu especially ongablomi ikasi understand experience yakho
Mude yasekazi they on because of we going back kulama game I5 or I6 adlala Chiefs. Yawazi amafeni welokhulu Chiefs. South Africa national team. Everywhere la uhamba khona bazokutshela ukuthi the second leg leni ibonile first leg anyeke niyibona sizonidla ukuthi asidlaleli next but abantu banokuthi iChiefs ayidlaleli next they are playing for something bafuna ukuya ku-cap so angeke kube yoko Pirates kumele ilwele 3 point and if ayilweli angeke uyithole so imude yasekasi ayi on and I think na today ama-pub bazoyenza imali because of
i-draw ma-breaking rights phela ibhakani izokubrekela ukuthi mina ngikushayile first leg second leg ngadraw so kusho ukuthi better than you
uzongitshela ngento yapast sikhuluma ngento today ukuthi okay you better than me ngani
ngu-number 2 eliki
ngu-number 2 ngu-number 3 and babe u-number 2 I think it's 4 season in a row
so bafana yasena
in day one and
the elephant sitting on the tree
and ngihlale ngisho
baba ngamre
eyadelela
kule 4 season i-Pirates iwina i-league ngo-December after December abanikazi bendawo bayeza so mara uzoyikhuluma kubonakala ngathi ijoke ne sesibuyela ku mentality eye team like as a whole and nalokhona ngama coach ukuthi ne-change kanjani i-mentality eyama play because of anyeke senze in day one 4 season in a row ukuthi ne-change kanjani mentality yama player because of check ilokhuna i-Sundowns their mentality and i-game wonke ama-game kubo abalulekile so inkinga mina manje engiba nayo nge-Pirates i-mentality yama-player ukuthi singaba ku-number 1 silide ngama-point angaka bese after December yini lento eyenza i-Pirates i-drop ama-point after December
badishile uthe abanikazi bendawo so I believe i-Sundowns ine-experience ukwini league
yeah experience but okay you gonna play i-Sundowns i-plan yakho mawuyodlala nayo ukuthi ukhiphe le gap oyivulile yi
I think the difference between a league and anything else is the fact that a league is a marathon. Every game is crucial. Yeah, man. And then you need squad depth as fun and they say Sundowns to play a league.
But the squad is enough.
Yeah, you must understand when we talk about depth, it also means rotation. Because you need to have players readily available with Magazongena Lapaya. The other challenging part that we have in certain teams is professionalism as a player. No more benching for 7 games. The minute you are given a chance, you must make sure that you show up. Yeah. That's what we call professionalism. Yeah, because if we're gonna say you're a professional, but you complain about on a game time. That means you are not ready. Yeah, but that means you're not ready. However, again, when we look at it in terms of football, I'm happy that it's happening now. With the Pirates and Sundowns are running for it till the last minute. Yeah, but it's good for South African football. And I'm hoping that the Kaizer Chiefs will come next season so that the gap is not 10 points, but it's at least something closer. It's good for our football. Yeah, but I want that. It's good for South African football. Yeah, but my biggest challenge is that I feel like in terms of a mentality, a finish line, a Pirates is starting to drop. Yeah, but you can't be collecting number 1 point in such times. You have Stellenbosch that comes to the party and takes away a point
from his
Sundowns. You have to capitalize from that and come to the derby and make sure you collect crucial points. But also we have to give it to Chiefs, especially the goalkeeper of Chiefs. He came to the party. Yeah, man. It was a very interesting one. It's good to actually see Ama supporter with Sundowns of heavy Chiefs. Because throughout the week, that was what's happening.
Sure.
Yeah, you find Ama supporter with Sundowns that Chiefs gabu ye. Yeah, man. It's good. It's good. Mamelodi Chiefs. It's good for South African football. Yeah, man. Because for the past 7 seasons, it's been boring. The gap between number 1 and number 2. Yeah, man. La, it's good because they are running it to the end.
You know, with some support of Sundowns, they are happy with the Chiefs. It was Lubamba 1 point.
Yeah, it's because also you must remember with now they dropped points.
Sure.
Yeah, but yeah, because they are not the comfortable Sundowns that we know. They are not the comfortable Sundowns that we know. Yeah, but
how much are the Sundowns up? Okay. Access it draw. Yeah.
Yeah,
if you would get fan,
what I like is the fact that they're playing against Richards Bay. The same Richards Bay that took away points from
the Chiefs.
Pirates.
Chiefs.
The Chiefs, yeah.
Yeah.
See, if you go play against Richards Bay, you must know you're gonna run. Those boys, they run. Those boys leave everything in the pitch. And it's beautiful to watch. You need to be able to watch Richards Bay and behave. Yeah, man. We get it. Slowly we are getting to a point where every team is big. It's no longer just the 3 teams. I just hope management where such teams are not going to come in, a change easy to Xasa, then you find them.
Players.
That's inevitable. It's going to happen. Because that's where you find that even the players that are playing for Richards Bay, they want to play for the big 3 teams. Unfortunately, you can't stop those boys because they want to win.
Sure.
And sometimes for you to win, as much as we can sell you the dream from Richards Bay, it is more real from Istulo Chiefs, Pirates or Sundowns. Well, not so much for the Chiefs, but hopefully when the new season comes, the introduction of a...
Kanja.
Gents, the only people that take Chiefs serious is the supporters.
No.
The Chiefs, the ANC, Lord. No, gents. We need to be... The Chiefs, the ANC. They're not good in service delivery. That's the problem. That's why I need to mean that the only people that are taking Chiefs serious are my support. Not even the players are taking Chiefs serious. The player that I can say is taking Chiefs serious by 2. Utuba, no Peterson. Because Utuba, Gunala Kulume Kwana Manzo winner, what cup did you win? Netbank. Yeah. The game before, at Nizoti Nash. You can see Guti is trying. Yeah, bon. We are fair. Wherever Alapaya you can see. That's where you see the difference. Which you know can play Magati the players as the Chiefs are ordinary. You know why? They're not consistent. That's one thing. When you play for the Chiefs, more than anything, you're playing for the badge. You're playing for the big team in South Africa. You can't be an ordinary player with the Chiefs. You can't be a player the Chiefs and celebrate it wrong against the Pirates.
No, I'm celebrating it wrong. I'm a fan celebrate it wrong.
The players who Chiefs they were happy because they caused an upset. They're happy that they caused an upset. But all in all, they were supposed... No, Mother. No.
Because of... We got the point. Away.
You can't.
No.
You can't be happy for the point on a derby game. Especially if you are supposed to make sure we can do it.
But she didn't have a lot of them.
Yeah, exactly.
As much as Kaizer Chiefs be happy for it draw. Ipagania nayo. Happy with Punyui. cishe phela yaluza le game. Ipagania, the only reason I give a happy because of bafuna ukubuyela number 1.
They playing for something, which you are coming and saying Chiefs is also playing for something, but
Which
make
is
it point
tough.
different. But we have to do mathematics. It's not an automatic thing. We have to do mathematics. If Sundowns wins and then
No. Kaizer Chiefs menga number 3 yodlala Confederation Cup.
yeah,
And still
No.
Sundowns mengathatha
I-CAF.
i-CAF.
that's why I need
Okay.
it's calculations.
No, asibuye nakulo khuna ne. I can hear you mawuthi iChiefs like sayidlalela unoma ubani ne. Leyo ngiyavumelana nawe. Even ilokhuna iPirates into manje eyenza ukuthi idrop ama point. Sekusayina nanoma ubani. Sekusayina nanoma ubani.
Inkinga kabani le? Ma-scout, agent,
We're gonna anyeke siplane amalokhuna ama-scout or siplane. I think ilokhuna management.
but as an agent is my responsibility ukuthi ngithengise player lawo.
Yeah, irresponsibility yakho nelokhuna ne-team as i-management. Irresponsibility yenu eyokuthi lelo player i-player ekumele lidlalele i-Chiefs or i-Pirates.
Kufuneka ise-coveted test lapha mayosayina babone ukuthi uready mentally ukuzo-understand ukuthi what is expected here.
Asibhekeni i-Pirates next season ane umbheke ngama-signings abawayenzi ane basayine ama-player I think ayi-3 or ayi-4 from kulo khona kuMarumo Gallants ane you bringing lawo ma-player adlalelayo kulo khona kuMarumo bayacompete or bakhona ku-top 8 yayibo ukuthi icala kuphi asiye kulo khona kubo-Downs ane lento yenziwa i-Downs current into beyenziwa i-Chiefs ne-Pirates. Chiefs ne-Pirates bekungacoachiwe unoma ubani, bekungadlali nanoma ubani. Bebaya for the best coaches, best players, quality. I-Sundowns manje ishaya i-Chiefs ne-Pirates ngokuthi basayina i-quality. Abazi ukuthi abantu bakhona ama-player wakhona mental are ayazi ukuthi lapha kumele ngikhompyutha ngidlalela i-team ekhompyutha each and every season. Angidlaleli mina, ngidlalela i-badge as machine ane asiye kulokhuna i-Downs asibheke ikhompyutha each and every season week in week out ane i-Downs mayisayina ama-player special local baya kuma-team afana nabo-Stelis Sekhukhune ane ama-player wakhona ama-team wakhona akusama-team ozowathola ale angekho ku-top 8. Abo-Stelis ubathola bakhona ku-top 8 bayodlala namalokhuna nama-CAF ama-team akhompyuthayo. Chiefs Pirates sifuna ukusayina kulama-team angekho naku-top 8. Labantu bajwayele ukuyodlalela ukuthi mangekho ku-number 16 isizini mayiphela ku-number 10 or 11 right
Badlalela kuba safe.
yeah uyosayina i-player kuleyo team uletha kule khona ku-Chiefs ne-Pirates.
Alright. Asibuyeni bafethu. Remember namhlanje sizokhuluma ngedabi.
Yeah,
So when are you happy ngeperformance yafana?
I'm just happy because of it all. Apart from that, I always say I'd rather watch Richards Bay than watch the Chiefs or the Pirates. But then what I'm happy about also about watching the Pirates is that individual brilliance, certain players with Pirates makes the team to play. I'm just worried Uguti, if a player like Apolis gets a contract overseas and Urrile gets a contract overseas, it's going to be a problem for the Pirates. The Pirates actually has to win the league this season because next season those two players, if they leave, it's going to be an uphill. Because if you look at the Pirates, as much as they are a team, the individual brilliance carry the Noronduza. The fact that the Pirates didn't win today is because Urile didn't score. It's because Apolis didn't score. And if you look at the previous games with Pirates, those are the people that were scoring. We understand. And if you look at how they score, it's because of individual brilliance. Yeah, but it's things they do for the team to score. So if they don't perform their magic, the team doesn't win.
You should take a coach of Chiefs credit. Bakwazi to play against them.
We can say that. Lapo, you're right. You can say that because I think in a way, you have neutralized Ibagani.
Because ngibone okokucala abadlali ngomthethwa noNdlovu noma buye ngesikhathi esi1 ngabona ukuthi kahle kahle bafuna ukuwina from a set. Bafuna ukumake sure ukuthi akunama loose ball lapha.
So you need to also understand that if you look at Urile, they will position him as a winger, but we know he's not a winger because he's a false 10. So because even the goal he scored against the Amazon, he scored it from the middle. He got it on the side, he puts it in there. Yes. So if you've got such players, they are always mindful. We need to be here with Bangabi, because they score out of 80, majority of their goals. Then they don't have a positioning. Props to the coaches. They started the game, they did well. For the first time, I'll actually say something positive about the Chiefs on that.
Shout out to the coaches. So Sisovala again, ilikhipela njani?
Ilikhipela njani? Aye. Ubuyela Pitori. And I would see as man, kune different. Pirates ifuna ukuwina league. Sundowns defend the league. So there's a difference.
Okay. I love that point.
I think when you get into Sundowns before back signing, the first thing they tell you is that we don't abasai kulumi da league.
Yeah.
In league it's a given. More players are not signing with illegal winning. We want to conquer Africa. I kulumi da league. It's not negotiable. And if Ukado also doesn't win the league, who's over?
What if I win the
That's tricky because I think the only reason why I'm signing is because of Lamakef finals work I2 now back to back, which is the third one, March. I'm signing because of that. Yeah, but it's going to be challenging if he wins CAF and doesn't win the league. Because remember, the league is a non-negotiable. Abasai kulumi da league. Most Sundowns, you know, Uguti, league is Sundowns. We want to conquer Africa. You understand? Yeah. So now I think it's political. Because that's why they're bringing in the people like Abu Surprise Muriel. Because for the first time in a long time, we are actually competing for the league. Yeah. They are competing, Pelaman. Yeah. It's the first time in a long time that they're actually competing for the league. Yes, by now. But they are competing for the league. So with the introduction of people like Surprise Muriel, it goes to show they are realizing there's a problem. Okay. We're not supposed to be in this Londusa dilemma. Yes, thank you for the nice words. But when you go and sign for Sundowns, illegal Ikulu, that's mandatory. Their agenda is to conquer Africa. So I think also what they're doing now is they are focusing on wrapping it up and winning the league and conquering Africa. But they've got plans bigger than that. They don't want to find themselves in a similar situation this next season. But yeah, I want it for Pirates.
Okay.
You know why I want it for Pirates? It's good for our football.
Because Bati is turning to a banana league now.
Yeah. It is.
Since years before you can say we know why.
We know why. And it's boring. Yeah. And you know, for the first time in a long time, people are watching our league because of what's happening. Whereby Pirates is going and it's chasing it. People are watching. Yeah. It's good for South African football. It's healthy. Because what is the point of us watching the league if
you know that it could be decided on the last day?
I want that.
Yeah.
It's not sure. Yeah.
Mina ngifuna lokho.
Sibukela ama game wonke ngesikhathi siwa.
Mina ngifuna lokho.
Sithethe ama channels. Amanjani ngale? Sayqina.
Ngichiefs celebrate before imatch iphela. Kanti ilontuzana izokora ngale bese iyayithatha ibhakani I think if I was not mistaken.
No, sayithatha.
Ile Chiefs nePulukwane City.
Yeah.
Leyo ke iyo le.
Chiefs bayidlala neBloemfontein Celtics. Mama kaZinkomo.
No. It happened again manje ngesikhathi sakaPitso. The time iChiefs idlala nePulukwane City ngelast game, iSundowns angazi bedlala nani last game.
I think
mabuye wawinile league. Iyo le Chiefs belila nga 10 points.
Yeah.
Le COVID wayenzeka kanjani?
Yeah.
Isara ngelast game.
But it's healthy.
Yeah, isara ngelast.
It's very healthy. That's how
Bathi
football
bani?
is.
Kambala ne? Ya namaye basabiza
Vusa amanqeba.
Kambala.
Vusa amanqeba. No, but
Lord Kambala.
it's supposed to be like that.
Yabona le nto ishoyo ne. Into yenza ukuthi ngithi i-Sundowns izothatha i-league. We check ama lokuna i-Pirates i-dropper ama-point ngama-game crucial. Lama point abawadropile are crucial. Manje it's a crucial time because of basele nga 3 games. I-Downs mayiqeda ukudlala today. Isala nga 4 games. And basanendlela ukuthi kumele baye Cape Town. You play against Stellenbosch.
Yeah, that's a tough one, eh?
Yeah, Kevin Hunty.
Yeah, Sanders also done it. And the Chiefs are only one form now.
No. Maybe. No, hasn't
Kulu. Ukuthi walwela.
Yeah, I Pitori ngangena ngiphu. Yeah, yabona ngisayisho namanje lento ne. Mawuzobuyela ucheck i-history eye-Chiefs ne-Sundowns.
Yeah.
I-Chiefs noma ingahlangana kanjani. I-Sundowns yayi.
Guy competition.
Yeah. I-Sundowns thina
siyakwazi. Guy competition.
Yeah, i-Sundowns siyakwazi ukuyiplana.
Sure.
You are able to manage them.
Yeah. True.
I-Sundowns siyakwazi ukuyiplana.
Mina I see another throw.
Against i-Sundowns. Hayi ke tobalwane.
Yeah. Uzama ukuthi uyabanika.
Masikawa.
Uthi impakani uzwile.
Ulwela iphakanye ulwela Sundowns.
Ulwela ilokuna Chestnut azikuhlupha ngani. Ukulwela umuntu uyamlwela.
Angarealize ukuthi
Yeah, angarealize.
uyafika khona ngenxa yakhe.
Aye kwenye indawo uyolwa lePitori yena uye Cape Town afika drop amaphone.
I think more than anything, I think more than anything, i-upset yebhakani ifike mayicala eCeltic draw la.
Yeah.
Besides the game draw yeSundowns, that because Leia Vele it felt like a final.
Not Celtic.
Okay, it's well, yeah. I think not counting Sundowns, not counting that game. I think Isuelele it crushed them, and that's where you actually need senior players to actually help you come back from defeat. You could chance we've dropped, but we can pick it up. Yeah, but from that it was never the same.
2010 England came with Beckham.
Yeah.
Knowing ukuthi angeke adlale.
Yeah.
Just nje ukuthi abe part of the squad so azo motivate labafana abancane.
Check
It's important.
And to manage nerves.
Check it out. Ushikabala akadlali manje amagame amaningi. Mara uzomthole elokune nepension. Onyangu ukhona epension. Because of uyawadinga manje udinga senior players.
They manage the nerves well.
Yeah. Ngale ntwana
Ntombi said the same thing ukuthi i-role yakhe emakade be very important.
Exactly.
Ukuthi bekakhona ukuba motivate makase bench.
Yeah.
Uthi yena if bekuye select i-final squad ye-2010 World Cup bafana bekazomlisa noma ngeke adlala.
It's important.
Yeah.
You can't take for granted the experience. You can't take for granted.
There's a young boy, go down. He's scoring that boy, and maybe that boy. Uku 34. Bambiza ngutsi.
Oh, uthi ulo ngiyambona.
Don't say Davidson.
Mchabeleni.
Yeah. And the way a performer ngakhona ne mawuyibhekela kuphi uyabona ukuthi people like Shikabala
Nerole abayidlala.
unerole ayidlalayo kulapha.
Yeah, ngimbone alanda uNdamane straight mabacede u-draw last week. Yabo, because of Umchita was blaming himself because of your caused mistake le ukuthi bakora. Bakora
ngepenalty. Yeah, njengoba uzokufana isinyama.
He went straight to him.
Yeah.
He motivated him like
That's way.
Yeah, he's a senior player.
Because of
Not just a captain, he's also a senior player.
if akubi nomuntu oyayo kulomfasha
Sure.
senamcrash
Sure.
bese nizocala kuba nenkinga la mara makuza senior player unlike a boy kuyenzeka kusepholweni mistake yenziwa umuntu.
And also remember one thing with what we are saying, ukuthi a senior player, because he's experienced those things more times, he's able to help you go through the situation. And it because na ikdala bana maflow, but I'm a senior player say, hey, pick yourself up. Seyidlulile le, there's nothing we can do about it.
Yeah.
What we can do is focus on the next assignment.
Yeah, we can't reverse it.
Yeah, it has happened,
Yeah.
and it's okay. Yeah, but we've learned from it. Where's the focus now? We pick up all the pieces, we go to the next assignment. Yeah, but simple. So I think every team needs a senior player.
Sure.
Yeah.
Asiyabonga bafethu, siyabonga
Asirepent,
bafethu.
madoda.
Asivaleni bafethu. Manje asisekhona ama game. Remember we're building up to the World Cup, yabo.
Yeah.
So World Cup la sobe cover khona ama game apha. Kwamanje so cover ama game akhruti kuphela. Next game Sundowns versus Chiefs. So besiplomile sibukele. Sizwe ukuthi siphathele.
Ke tlo kena ko mara ba starta gazi. Ya ngena nyaphuma.
Yabonga bafethu for time.
Mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi ngeke uphuma kanjani.
Ngena nyaphuma. 3 point.
Awe.